Looking at this Fitbit, it looks like it's perfectly sound and it's working, etc, etc, which is cool, but unfortunately it's broken. Look at that. Three things I can see wrong with this watch just by looking at it. This pops off, which is a major concern. This pops off, which is a major concern. The strap, the rubber bit that holds the strap, just slips off. So this is a big problem apparently with these Fitbits. It just popped off. It just, no reason, no warning, just popped off. Unfortunately, I believe the touchscreen is not actually working again. It used to work just before this problem. It almost gave you warning signs that this is going to happen because it was malfunctioning beforehand, but it was still functioning. If you've done a few things to it, it still would function. But now it doesn't function at all and it's popped out. The only consolation which I've found is if you still have warranty for this item, you can phone up or contact customer services Fitbit and request a replacement of the item, because this is an actual flaw. It is known by them. Imagine you're walking down the street and someone asks you for the time. But anyway, find your warranty card or find your receipt or go into your account and find out when you purchased the item. Ask them for a refund, or just tell them the situation. They may ask you for proof. They will either give you a replacement or they might offer you 50% off one of their newer models, which hopefully hasn't got this flaw. Another problem with these watches is the straps. The straps are notorious for going wrong. We've changed the strap on this because of the problems it had. It just tears or just comes out of here. It just doesn't work as a strap. So that was under warranty as well, and they changed that. And also this here, see this bit here, this rubber bit here, it goes missing. It just falls off look, it just fell off with my hand. So what we're going to do now is just fix this problem. You can see it's come apart here, around this area here, around there. And if you look closely, you can see there's something that looks like contact adhesive on this area here. Look, looks like contact adhesive. So what we're going to do is just reapply some contact adhesive to it and see what happens. But where most people go wrong is they put too much of it on. You can see there's not too much on. I'm not even going to scratch the surface or anything. I'm just going to leave it as it is and just apply contact adhesive with a toothpick. I've got this stuff here. But I think any contact adhesive should be okay. This is quite good, so that's why I'm going to use it. So I'm going to open it, dip this in, close the thing back straight. I need to stick it on both sides. I need it on this side as well. that. She's already getting a bit gummy. She's not good, but because it's such a small amount to put on, it's gonna get gummy quite quickly. Usually the off time on this is about 12 minutes. So we haven't really got much time to play about with it. I think that might be enough. So what now? We'll wait some minutes. I'll say 6 minutes now. So I'll wait 6 minutes and then I'll put it together. Right, we've waited about 6 minutes. Let's put this thing together. It's very strong contact adhesive if you get the right one. So you can see some of it spilling out here, look, but that's not a problem as long as it sticks. I don't care. I'll get rid of that. Probably can get rid of that with my finger, look, comes off. It's off already, look. It's more or less stuck back. Now, just leave it. I'd say put a book on it or something. Just leave it like that for, it says 24 hours, but such a small amount, probably a quarter of that, maybe 6 hours. But I'm gonna leave it till tomorrow anyway. And that's about it. And then we'll test it and see what happens. But it looks promising, but don't know. It looks like it's fixed, but can't tell until we test it. I'll use this. Okay, let's wait till tomorrow and see what happens. Yep, it looks nice. There's no bits sticking out, nothing like that. I'm just gonna clean this area up here. As you can see, some of the glue's come out. Just keep rubbing on it, it would just pop out. It would just keep rubbing and bits will come off. So I'm going to charge it now to see if we have success or not.